Hello Google Assistant. Can you identify this song?
Hello, Baby Red. How can I help you today?
Can you identify this song? Gusto ko ang nota mo.
Sorry, I wasn't able to recognize this song.
Hi guys, Red here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, gagawa tayo ng question and answer portion.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And
Hi guys, my name is Ra.
Hi guys, I am Rafael. Welcome back to my channel. We are now here to tackle about the different dito na naman tayo para gumawa ng Q&A ni SIRI at ni Google Assistant kung saan ay malalaman natin kung sino ang mas magaling sa kanilang sumagot. So, but before that, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that para ma-update kayo sa mga videos natin. So, let's start the videos. So, let's proceed.
So ayan guys, meron kaming mga question dito na prepare para i-ask namin si Google Assistant and si Siri. So ito yung gagamitin ko na phone para kay Google Assistant at saka ito naman para kay Siri. So let's start na po sa mga question natin. Unang question po is, hello Google Assistant. Lagi. Bungol ka, bis.
Hi, how can I help?
Can you tell me who I am?
Your name is Baby Red.
Who are you?
I'm a helper and a friend. There are a lot of things I know, and even more things I'm excited to learn about.
What is your name?
Did I forget to introduce myself? I'm your Google Assistant. Hi.
Did I forget to introduce myself? Hello. So what is the difference between Google Assistant and Siri?
Here's a summary from ZDNet. Google answered 88% of questions correctly, while Apple scored 75%, Alexa scored 72.5%, and Cortana came in with 63%. Google Assistant is still at the top, but now with a score of 92.9% for answering questions correctly. Siri correctly answers 83.1% of questions, while Alexa gets 79.8% correct.
This time we are going to ask Siri the same questions that I asked to Google Assistant, and this is going to be asked by Rafael. Yes.
Hello Siri.
Hello, Raphael. How can I help?
Can you identify this song? Can you tell me who I am?
You're asking me, Raphael?
What is your name?
My name? It's Siri.
Who are you?
Who I am isn't important.
Attitude problem. B. Who are you?
I'm just a humble virtual assistant.
Okay. What is virtual assistant?
Here's what I found.
Can you tell me who is Google Assistant?
Here's what I found.
Can you tell me who is Google Assistant and please read it?
Here's what I found.
Siri, tapulan gi ka mo bas. I would like to know what is the difference between Google Assistant and Siri.
You've been dressed messing up the truth. I've been dressing up.
What I found.
Lagi mo basahon ay.
Gid niya basahon tapulan ni Siri. You are very lazy. You're so tapulan. It's the fake.
That doesn't sound good.
That doesn't sound good because you are so stupid.
That doesn't sound good.
Pak ganun. Lagot mo. Visit ka. Okay, let's proceed to Google Assistant.
Yes. Here is information from Google support.
Hello, Google Assistant. Can you tell me what is love?
As you wish. I love you.
Oh my god, I love you too.
Thanks.
What is love?
According to Good Therapy, love is a complex set of emotions, behaviors, and beliefs associated with strong feelings of affection, protectiveness, warmth, and respect for another person.
Nandito siya.
So, do you think Siri can
I think I can be pretty helpful.
You're not pretty. Oh my god. Do you think Siri can answer the same answer that you give about love?
Here are some results from the web.
Samok daw Siri.
Siri, what is love?
According to Wikipedia, Islam is an
As I
Abrahamic,
understand it, love
monotheistic
refers
religion.
to a deep, tender, ineffable feeling of affection and solicitude.
Ako sa. Google Assistant. Do you love me?
I love helping you, even more than I love searching.
Can Google Assistant would be you do know
Here's the latest news.
What's the difference between a human and a Google Assistant? I mean a virtual assistant.
These are the top results.
Why are you so stupid?
I'm trying my best. How can I help?
Siri, do you love me?
I respect you.
You only respect me but you don't love me?
I respect you.
Okay, you respect me, but how come?
Sorry. I'm not sure I understand.
Okay, so I would like to ask more questions. Why are people experiencing
According to Quora, when you say experience comes from bad experience, it means that by making mistakes you learn how not to make them.
how can I be able to learn from my experiences?
Here's a summary from Lifestyle Updated. Learn from your experiences but try learning from others as well. 1. First, you need to find a couple of people who you admire for some reason. 2. Then you take a notebook and write down what it is that you like about them. And 3. And finally, you take the notebook and pick which of those values you will embed in your own life.
So can you tell me what is the use of notebook?
According to the simple dollar, gathering simply refers to how I actually use my pocket notebook for taking notes and collecting things. Everything I might possibly want to think about later is written down in my pocket notebook. If there's even a chance I might want to reflect on it later, it goes in my pocket notebook.
Google Assistant, I'm in love with someone. What should I do?
Be kind, open and caring, but most importantly, spend an extra 5 minutes having dessert together.
I have a crush. What should I do?
Sounds romantic.
But he is 150.
These are the top results.
Google Assistant, beatbox.
I've been waiting for you to ask.
Siri, beatbox please.
Here's one I've been practicing. Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots. I can can do this all day. Cats and boots and 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 cats.
So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. Okay, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share to your friends. So go on, bye. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to So yun na nga guys, nalaman natin sino ang pinakamaganda. So ayun na nga guys, natry na natin si SIRI at saka si Google Assistant. So mas nakita na natin na mas maganda talaga si Google Assistant. So ayun na nga lahat. Maybe that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Then don't forget to share with your friends. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you and God bless.
Sige ba? See you again in next video. Gani.
Oh. Okay, see you again.
Sige sa video namin, ano ba?
I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video namin and don't forget to share to your friends and hit the subscribe button. And that's all. That's all. That's all. And God bless. Bless. Ay, katawan nun. So yun na guys, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video namin and don't forget to subscribe, click the subscribe button.